Everybody looking forward. I think tonight will be a very prestigious night and a night to remember for everyone. And it's all coming from USA and India, recognition, you know, things like that. It's a big kind of honor for us to receive for tonight. And I would like to connect with everybody here from Nepal, I see. And I think the lady just now was talking about something we have done for the community. Me, myself, is the president of the Women SME from Sabah, Malaysia. So with me, I have about 2,000 women as well, who are my members, and they are from SME. They are women from, we call it, in Malaysia, we call it B40, which is underprivileged, like, you know. So we are giving them training as well. So we train them. In Malaysia, the income should be over 1,800 at least per household. So this is what we have done in Malaysia. In my place, we uplift them until everybody is happy with more money. Because a happy woman is a happy nation. Agree or not? Otherwise, everybody will be like... So I have been advocating for women as a whole in my place and also in Malaysia. We have been putting up data for women who are inspiring in Malaysia, and we have done 2 versions of books that we gather all the outstanding women in Malaysia. And we are coming the 3rd one, where we call it the Wanita Aspirasi Negara. That is our national women aspiration, which will be coming end of the year. And I think I will be calling all the women to be with us. And the men, please just support us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.